So it's important part that we had our storefront right by Whittier Boulevard. We can literally walk on the boulevard, see the cars and the history and all the bikes, and whether you got a Bagger or a Vikla, you know, you take it out and you cruise on Whittier Boulevard. We recently opened a new shop, a retail shop. That's what it started out as. It was kind of an experiment at first because we already have our manufacturing shop where we have the bars, and it's kind of hidden where our manufacturing is, so we decided to have a retail shop where people can come and visit. My name's Andrew. We're here at Factory 47. This is our headquarters. Factory 47 is a family business. We're everybody here, you know, majority of the people, we're all family, we're all related, whether it's from Pico Rivera, from Whittier, from East LA, we all grew up local to the shop. What makes our brand unique is one thing is it's all made here in the United States. It's made right here. If there's an issue with a bar, you can literally come to our shop. It's not just the quality finish, but it's the customer support and that we're here and that we can, you know, we stand behind our product 100%. If there's an issue, we'll take care of it, no problem. Doesn't matter how old the bar is. They gotta be bent before we weld them, and this is where you'll see this process come into play. Right side to left side, put them in the fixture, strap them down, and weld them. For us, we find it with the older machine, it's just more precise. We can just do it all by hand. So this is our polishing room. And after all the welding's done and everything, we like to bring it here and get it repolished so it's got the show fitting. And you can see we have it inspected to make sure it goes on quality fit before it gets dipped. Basically, this is where the bar comes after it's all finished and welded, and they fine tune it and make sure that it's absolutely perfect before it goes to chrome or powder coat. That's our bread and butter, is the handlebars, the highway bars for Harleys. They're just such nice bikes. I don't think we're ever gonna change into doing any other style bars for any other bike. It makes so much sense to just stick with Harley. It's American made. We all ride Harleys. All we make product for is Harley.